Hi, this is Ben from harmonicamastery.com. A question that came up at the Q&A was, do you always breathe from the diaphragm when you're playing the harmonica? Well, I think so, except if I'm using cheek air, which would be like when I'm breathing in and out through my nose freely. I'm breathing in and out freely through my nose, but the cheeks are pumping away. I could hum, couldn't I, to demonstrate that? Or I'll put another harmonica to the nose. But unless I'm doing that, and I do use that, by the way, in fast passages, I might need to that was all done with the cheek air, not the diaphragmatic air. Probably somebody's going to tell me I'm wrong here, and I might be wrong, but I was led to believe that with breathing you've got clavicular breathing where these things, clavicles, go up and down. Then you have intercostal breathing where expansion opens them up and closes them down. Like I said, I'm no expert, so do feel free to put me right. Then thoracic breathing where it's a bit lower, and then diaphragmatic breathing is lower again. I've never seen my diaphragm, so I don't really know what it looks like, to be honest. I remember when I was learning trumpet, they said breathe from your boots. So I guess that's the same type of trying to get the same thing happening. Now, if you were to stick your fingers in your belly and cough, that's the muscle I'm trying to use for the harmonica. Is that the diaphragm? I think it probably is. Is that the diaphragm? I think so. Yes, probably is the answer to the question. Do you always breathe from the diaphragm when not using the cheek airs? I don't want to be seeing my shoulders going up and down. That's going to be very shallow breath. I don't want shallow breath. I want nice, deep breath. I want to really push the air out so that I feel properly empty at the end of, I'm talking about in practice, a symmetrical phrase like do chicka chaka chicka, do chicka chaka chicka. Let's say I'm just doing that all on the out breath, 4 beats. Now at that point, I want to feel properly empty. To allow myself the space to breathe in, and I'm not actually breathing in, I'm just allowing the pressure to balance. I'm allowing the air to come in. So I'm push it out, push it out, push it out, push it out, empty. Allow it in, allow it in, allow it in, get to about half full again or something like that. I'm very comfortable now. Neutral air, not full, not empty. Must be about halfway, I think, about half full. If I had a dial for full, half full and empty, I want to work between half full and empty all the time. That's how I see it. People might want to put me straight on that, but that's how I feel it. And if what I mean by the pressure wants to automatically come in, if I push all the air out and then just put a harmonica in my mouth, see what happens. You can try this. Now I didn't breathe in at all there, and I'm now about half full, neutral, balanced. I didn't breathe in once. It just came in. I allowed it in. And if I did that but whilst saying chew, chugga, do, chicka, chaka, chicka, wasn't it, that phrase? So push the air out. Empty. And again, you didn't see my shoulders rise up. Does that answer the question? Do you always breathe through a diaphragm? Yeah, I think it does. Hopefully. Let me know. What do you think? Okay, that's it for now. Many thanks, and see you later. Bye for now.